Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic. Should Scrum Master be a technical? Does he need technical skills or technical knowledge or not? So today we'll discuss about this topic in detail. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. First of all, understand friend, who is a Scrum Master? Friend, a Scrum Master is a role in the Scrum framework. There are mainly three roles in the Scrum framework: Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Scrum Team. So one of the role is a Scrum Master. So first of all, we have to understand that who is a Scrum Master. Scrum Master is a person who is facilitator for the Scrum team. He is facilitating the team and whatever the knowledge they required. He is a person who has the best knowledge about the Scrum framework, Scrum body of knowledge, and he is guiding the team whatever they need knowledge about the Scrum framework and the Scrum best practices. Also, if there is any issue, if there is any bottleneck, if team need any help, any support, so he will be supporting the team. Also, he is conducting facilitating the team during the Scrum meetings, like daily Scrum meetings, Scrum planning meetings, etc. So main role is Scrum Master is a facilitator for the team. Now coming towards our main question, that does he need the technical skills or not? Okay, then first of all understand friend, as per the Scrum framework, Scrum body of knowledge, if we talk, so Scrum Master is a facilitator for the team. So if we talk about as per the Scrum body of knowledge, it is not necessary for him to be a technical person. However, see friend, if he is not a technical person, if he doesn't have the technical knowledge, so can he conduct the meeting or not? This is the main question here. See, friend, as per the Scrum of body of knowledge, he doesn't need the he doesn't need the technical knowledge. He must have to be a person who is just a facilitator for the team. Okay, and he should have the Scrum body of knowledge. He should have the best practices knowledge about the Scrum. Now, friend, here comes the question game, that if a person who doesn't have the technical knowledge, so can he conduct the meeting? Can he manage the meetings or not? This is the main question here. Okay, so friend, one thing is that if a person who has the technical knowledge, if a Scrum Master who has the technical knowledge, for example, you are implementing a mobile application for a banking solution, for example, and you are a Scrum Master for a team, and you have the good knowledge, you have the good information about that, what is mobile application, what is, for example, core knowledge about fund transferring, IBFT, donations, etc. So friend, if you are a Scrum Master and you have the good knowledge and good understanding of technical knowledge about the software industry, so friend, it will be helpful for you as a Scrum Master. First of all, if you have the technical knowledge, so it is a useful thing for you, it is a plus point for you. Because see friend, here, if you don't have the technical knowledge, honestly saying, it will not be beneficial for you, it will not be helpful for you to conduct the meetings. For example, if you don't have the technical knowledge, that how software work, how the transaction process, so honestly saying, you are only sitting in the meetings, and you are nothing uh, giving value, providing value in the meeting. Because honestly saying, if you don't have the technical knowledge, you can't add any value. So first thing is first, that as a Scrum Master, it is helpful for you to have the technical knowledge. First thing is that it will give benefit advantage to you if you have the technical knowledge, whatever the domain you are implementing, so it will be helpful for you if you have the technical knowledge. However friend, sometimes it happens that the other side of this question is also that if you don't have the technical knowledge, so it is the positive side as well. Because see friend, if there's any confusion between the product owner and the Scrum team, so see, they will be solve the issue, and you have a point. You can say as a scrum master that you are a scrum master and you are not responsible for technical things. So product owner and the scrum team will have to sit together and they have to solve the issues, solve the problems. However, it will be a positive thing as well if you are saying that you don't have the technical knowledge. Also, the other thing is that, friend, if you have a technical knowledge and you are involving in the technical decisions, see, as per the scrum body of knowledge, so you don't need to be a technical person, you don't need to take technical decisions. Okay, and if you are participating in the scrum meetings and participating in the technical decisions, so to be very honest, basically you are taking the responsibility for the things which you are not actually responsible. So in the future, if anything goes wrong, so you have to be accountable for that which you were not actually responsible for that. So, friend, in the last, I would say that the question like the scrum master should have the technical knowledge or not. So, friend, the answer is that if you have the technical knowledge, so it is if you have the technical knowledge about the software development of projects, so it is good for you as a scrum master. It will add value in your career, in your CV, if you have the technical knowledge. Also, it will be beneficial for you during the conducting the scrum meetings, managing the teams and talking with product owner, talking with the scrum team and managing the meetings. So it will be beneficial for you if you have the technical knowledge. On the other hand, if you don't have the technical knowledge, so it could also be a positive point for you, and there are some positive aspects as well if you don't have the technical knowledge, because as per the scrum body of knowledge, it is not necessary for you to have the technical knowledge, and as a scrum master you don't need to take technical decisions. If you are participating in technical skills, if you are participating in technical decisions, if something goes wrong in future, so it will be a negative impact on you, it will be a negative point for you, because you would be accountable for those things for which you are were actually not responsible. So in the last, I would say that, for example, if you are hiring any scrum master, and a person who has one person is having no knowledge of technical, and if a person and second person has some technical knowledge, so you can say you can give more points to that person, a scrum master who has some technical knowledge. So friend, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.